Hi friends, in the previous section we have seen how you can find your particular app repository by navigating to the package manager of Ubuntu on our browser while navigating to packages.ubuntu.com and how you can find or search for your right package, right? But you don't want to do that. You don't want to go to with that all that trouble and find your right package. So how Ubuntu make easy for you? So it is done by the app package manager, okay? APT, which is for advanced packaging tool. Okay, so in this lecture, we will learn about how app package manager works under the hood in Ubuntu. Okay, so I will move on my Ubuntu VM. Now you might be wondering, so you have seen the working of Windows or Mac OS. So basically what you do there, so you either you can install the packages from Microsoft Store or App Store and you just click and install them, or either you can download the exe and then just right click on it, run it, and then click next, and then go ahead and install it. But in Ubuntu it's different. Either you install a .deb package and make it runnable, or either you can install it by app packaging manager tool by a terminal. Okay, so it's making bit easier, and the app package manager also ensure that you got any verified package and it is reliable. Okay, so now in this lecture we will learn how you can search for packages using apt, and also how apt uses caching for installing and updating a component on your device or on your Ubuntu VM. Okay, so let's go ahead. Now let me open my terminal. Suppose I want to search for any app repository by name. So what I will do, I will use command apt cache, and then I will search for, let's see if you want to search for anything related to which can open a Microsoft doc file, okay, the Microsoft document. So I will search for docx. Okay, so if I will hit enter, it will give you these entry. Now there are a bunch of entry. Let me try to filter it out by, let's see, by text. So if I will do that, sorry, grab text. Okay, so there are three things related to text. So here what it did, it searched your cache repository for searching that anything related to docx, and also I have filtered out with text. So suppose if you want to find anything related to PDF, so how you can do that? So just do this and search for PDF. So it will tell you all the things related to PDF. Okay, so whatever you want to do with the PDF, any package related to PDF, so it will show you all the things in here. Okay, so I will go to my docs and grab with text. Now suppose if you are interested to learn about this docx2.txt. Okay, so if you want to learn it about, so how you can do that, you can type apt cache, then show, and then what's the name of docx2.txt. Okay, if you see that, or also let me type with pipe with less command so that it will be easily readable. So if I will hit enter, so it will tell you all the things in here. So first it will tell you the package, then what's the priority, what's the section. So it's in universe repository, and in the what is the sub repository, it's in text. Okay, who is the developer or maintainer? Okay, its name, his name, and everything, the size, the file name. Okay, it will be as a Debian package. In Windows it's a exe. Okay, so you will learn different types of things in here about that special package. Okay, so I will hit enter. Now how these things are working under the hood. Okay, is it searching from the web? No, it is not. So let me turn off my net here from my Ubuntu. So this is a icon for internet, so let me turn it off. Okay, now I don't have my internet connection. If I will search for my Azure portal, so portal.azure, so it's not saying. Okay, now let me again type to search for any different kind of package. Okay, so let me search for apt cache search. Let you want to search for anything related to web server. Okay, web server, and then let me also pipe it with less. Now it will give you all the packages related to the web server, and the first one you might have already aware about it. It's a most popular HTTP server, which is Apache 2. Okay. Now how it searched while the your internet is off? How it did that? So basically it is using cache of your local system on your local environment. I will tell you later where it is stored. So it is using your cache folder to find all these things and all the details about. Okay, let me hit Q. Let me learn about this Apache 2 thing, apt cache so, and I will do Apache 2, pipe it with less. Now you can see it is also showing the thing. Okay, so it is using our cache. Now if you will see here, it will tell you the bunch of different option in there. So what's the version, where it is supported. Okay, I will hit Q. So you have seen here the internet is off, then also it is searching for our particular package. So how it is doing that? It is using our cache. I will keep the internet off to find out all the details. Now let's suppose so how it is working under the hood. So let's understand with the help of example by visiting a website. So suppose if you are visiting any website like see if you are visiting this website, okay, www.azure.com or portal.azure.com. So how it is making connection from your local workstation to this thing. Okay, so how it is done? So basically there will be different hops between my workstation and this server. So it is going through all the hops again and again. So whether it is going through hops again and again all the time whenever I am visiting the site, no, it is using your cache. Okay, suppose if there are bunch of user trying to visit the with this website at the same time, so this site might crash. Okay, because of load. So that's why it uses a cache to visit the website, and whenever, and keep remember that cache also use for managing updates, whatever thing is, if anything is updated here, so it will update in cache also whenever the internet is on. Okay, so it will take the latest update, it will update the cache, and it will save it on your local thing. Okay, so hope you are clear with the help of example of the web. So similarly it works with the package also. So whatever, so my internet is off but still I am searching, I am able to search for all the types of packages that I can grab, and also I am able to show the details about it, right? Now let's see where are all these packages are stored. Okay, so all of these cache are stored in where, lib, apt, and then lists. Okay, and keep in mind that these are just a cache folder. It will tell you that hey, these things are stored, these are not installed thing. Okay, these are all not installed packages. These will only tell you the cache list of available packages for your Ubuntu. Okay, so if I will go in there and if I will list, okay, and let me pipe it with my less command. Okay, less option n, so that it will add a number line also. So let me maximize the window also, and I don't think we need browser. I will close this one. Okay, so it's done. I will hit enter now. So it will tell me all the available packages stored in my cache folder. Okay, and if the available means you can install them and or download them, but they are not available or they are not pre-installed. Okay, now what it is telling here, so the first column is telling about the area, the shortest area from your current location to that server. So basically here I am on Delhi based, so it is telling DL. So for your it might be different. So if you are in Karnataka it will be KA, and in here it's India IN if you are in different country. So basically it will tell you, it will search for the package depends on your city or state or your country. Okay, so if there are packages for this in Delhi, so it might have searched for DL and it might have stored here. So for some packages it is India and some packages it is Delhi. Okay, now in here it is archive.ubuntu.com, Ubuntu disk Jammy. So in here we are till here. Okay, we are till here, but what we did when we visited via browser, so we need to find it out what about about our flavor of our Ubuntu or the type of our Ubuntu. So we had to search for it was Jammy, but in here it is already there. Now the next one is about the type of the repository. So it's in main. These are in main, these are in multiverse, these are restricted, and this is universe. Okay, so these are available, but it is not installed. It is just showing that hey, it is in cache. Now the next one is your obviously your architecture and your package's name. Okay, hope you are clear with this. Where are the caches are stored? Also, they are updated. These caches are updated whenever you will connect it to the internet and whenever they will find anything updated. Okay. Now I will navigate a bit back because my type of the OS was not Jammy backport, it was only Jammy. So if I will navigate down, so you can see related to my packages, it is in here. Okay, so it is my package. So my every command or every packages will be stored in there. So what I will do, I will select it and let's copy it. So basically where it is in this and it is like a file. Okay, so it is stored in like a file. They are all the files. Okay, so what I will do, I will right copy and copy it. I have copied this thing, so you can find out about your architecture, and it will be in main and binary. Okay, so what I will do, I will hit Q. I'm in there. Now let me try to edit that file or open the file with my Vim editor. I will paste. Now I will hit enter. Now it has entered. Now there will be, if you will go through the bottom, there will be different top packages in there. So there will be a list for the, so suppose there is a double ct package, then at the next there will be different package acl, and there will be different package like acpi support. Okay, now if you will try to modify the package by adcli, so I haven't opened by vi as sudo. So what I will do, let me exit it and let me open it with sudo. So I have opened that. Now if I will navigate to my ADCLI package, let's see if you want to search for ADCLI package. So what you can do, I will type I for insert mode. Then in priority, let's search for optional but awesome. Okay, I will this one also, and then I will escape it and I will press colon, write it and exit it. I have done that. So basically I was not able to edit it by my Vim by normal, so I use sudo. Now in here, if I will type for my package apt cache, let's first search for adcli package. Okay, adcli. So it has searched for the package and it's also telling me about the description about that. Okay, now let me show about that package. Okay, obviously I will pipe it to less. Once I do that, so you can see that my change thing was is reflecting now. Okay, now priority was changed. So that's how the apt cache is working and how you can install the packages from here by searching about them. So the apt use, and still my internet is turned off and it is using my cache. Now my internet is off. If I will turn it on and if it will search for anything, so whenever I will get any update, I will get pop up like that, hey, if you want to search for any repository or anything like that. Okay, so hope you are clear with app package repository and app package manager, how it works, how cache works under the hood. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this lecture, and in the next lecture we will learn about how you can update the cache or upgrading the software. Okay, so till then, take care.